Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Changing the default Python version on Ubuntu 20.04 involves updating symbolic links to point to the desired Python version. Here's a step-by-step tutorial on how to change the default Python version. Before making any changes, check the Python versions installed on your system. Open a terminal and run. This will list the installed Python versions. The default Python version is usually symlinked to /usr/bin/python. For example, you might see links like Python 3.8, Python 3.9, etc. If the desired Python version is not already installed, you can use the package manager to install it. For example, to install Python 3.9, run. Use the Update Alternatives command to configure alternative programs for various commands, including Python. Replace 3.x with the version you want to set as the default. For example, repeat this step for other Python-related commands like Python, Python 2, and Python 2.7 if needed. Now that you have added the alternatives, you can choose the default version by running. This will prompt you to select the default Python version from the list. Check the default Python version to confirm the change. This should now reflect the version you selected as the default. After changing the default Python version, it's a good practice to update pip and set up tools to match the selected version. You have successfully changed the default Python version on your Ubuntu 20.04 system. Remember that some system tools and scripts may rely on the default Python version, so be cautious when changing it. If you encounter issues, you can always revert to the original default or update affected scripts accordingly. ChatGPT